When the dehumidifier is powered on, all button indicators will briefly illuminate and then turn off, while the three-colored digital display lights up. The indicator color of the three-colored digital display indicates the current humidity level. In this case, green means the humidity is between 45% and 65%. In the standby state, press the power button to turn on. The operation indicator light is on, the default fan speed is high, and the default humidity is 50%. In this case, blue color of the three-color digital display means the humidity is below 45%. Press the mode button to cycle through auto mode, continuously drying mode and sleeping mode. In continuously drying mode, the corresponding indicator will turn on. The machine continues to run, but the humidity and the fan speed cannot be adjusted. After switching to sleeping mode, the corresponding indicator will light up. In sleeping mode, the fan speed automatically switches to low. After no operation in 10 seconds in sleeping mode, all indicators turned on gradually. Humidity and the fan speed cannot be adjusted in this mode. Touch any button to wake up the indicator. Press the mode button to switch to auto mode. The fan speed will switch to high. In auto mode, humidity and the fan speed can be adjusted. Press the humidity button to set the humidity from 30% to 80% in 5% increments. After setting, the selected humidity will flash on the screen, and the current ambient humidity will be displayed. Press the timer button to set the timer. Each press increases the time by 1 hour until 0 is displayed and the timer indicator turns off. After the timer is set, the timer button indicator stays on. In the running state, set the time to turn off the machine. In the standby state, set the time to turn on the machine. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds to turn on or off the child lock function. For continuous drainage, use a water hose to connect the drain outlet. For continuous drainage, the end of the hose should not be submerged in water to prevent it from being blocked or damaged. When the tank is full for 5 seconds, it sets the alarm. Take out the water tank and empty it. And put the water tank back in position. Remove the air filter. Use a vacuum cleaner to gently absorb the dust on the surface. If the filter is very dirty, wash it with water and a soft detergent and dry it thoroughly afterwards. After cleaning, put the air filter back.